Come on, Mama.
Come here.
Come on, Mama.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Come on, Mama.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Hi,
Come on, baby.
come on, Mama. We gonna pick you up if you come on.
Come here. Yeah, come here.
Feel like that hurts her.
I know. Like if she's in pain or something.
Come on. Oh, what? Come on, Mama.
Come here.
Come on, Ma. You're being lazy. Come on.
Oh,
You like to get mad. You should stop to the floor.
yeah, like.
Come on. Stop being lazy. There you go. Come on.
She's like every step hurts. In my room, probably.
Come on. You shut up.
No, because that's making her come. You want to have a competition?
Come get him. Come get him.
She's like, look, I can saw him more than you.
Tell her, Jay. Tell her. You want to record it?
Yeah. Oh, stop all that. Now don't you start. Let's see you call. Come on. Is this still recording?
Yeah. Come on, Tinker. Here you go. Come on. Go, boo. Y'all give me a head start. Go. Go.
Get your face off the floor. Deshaun. Deshaun. Hey, Deshaun. Hi. Like he's afraid of the camera or something. He's shy. Oh, he's shy.
Stop, baby. Come on. Come on.
He's like, no. It's like throwing a little hissy fit. Like, I don't wanna. No. Oh.
You wanna watch her walk? Come on, Tinker. You didn't have to walk today. Come on. Come on, you have to walk today. Come on. Daddy. Come on. There you go. Come on.
Big old crybaby.
I can pick you up if you do 2 more steps. Yeah, I will. Come on.